Wanna know how to unlock new skins in Snake.io? Well, no worries. If you want those cool new skins in Snake.io, I got you. Here's how you can get them fast. So I'm just going to provide you a thorough explanation on how you can do it. So it's super simple. So I'm just going to explain you under a minute. So let's get straight to it. So you need to keep in mind that some skins unlock as you grow longer and level up. So the more you game and the more you keep playing, the more you will be getting skills. So make sure to keep playing matches and collecting mass. Others need missions like killing a certain number of snakes or surviving for minutes in one game. And don't forget daily rewards as well. Log in every day for free unlocks. If you are in a hurry, you can even watch quick ads or bonus skins. With just a little grind, you will be slithering around in style in no time. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.